Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today's video I'll show you how to force Google Maps to take a certain route. So drop a pin to location. If I go for this one, now go for directions. Click on choose starting location. Now we have to search for your location and click on it. Now you can see uh, it shows a way on a location. So this is how you can force Google Map to take a certain route. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.